Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to look at some of the optional store settings in your My Dakis account. In another video, we covered how to open a store. If you haven't already watched that video, I recommend starting there first. Please note, in order to edit store settings or add or remove stores, you need to be logged in as a user with either buyer or owner permissions. Here we are in our My Dakis account. In the left-hand menu panel is a gear-shaped icon named Settings. Let's click that now. In the Settings drop-down menu, we can see an option for stores. Let's go ahead and click that now. This will open up the Store Settings page. At the top of this page, there's a list with the heading Store Location. This list shows all the available stores connected to your account. Next to each store in this list is an icon you can click to either edit or delete a store. Let's click on the Edit icon next to the Mighty Mighty Boss store. This will open up the Store Details page. Let's take a look at the optional store settings. At the top of the Store Details page, underneath the Store Name field, we find the Website URL field. Unless our website is using a different URL from the one used to set up our My Dakis account, we can leave this field empty. Underneath the URL field are found 3 checkboxes used to set the type of store. Note that these checkboxes are also optional. Let's go over the different options and what they mean. Checking the default printing store option will set this store to receive any print orders that are shipped to your customer. Note that you can only have one default printing store set at a time. Checking the online store option will send all online hard good orders to the checked store to be shipped to the customer. Note you can only have one online store set at a time. Lastly, we have the Production Center/Warehouse option. If we set this option, it will set the store to be invisible to the customer. It will not appear in the store finder nor in checkout as a pickup location. This is useful when your store isn't accessible to the public or when you need to temporarily remove a store's visibility to customers. Note you can have as many warehouse or production centers as you need. Underneath the Store Type options, we find the Store Contact Info section. Here you have the option to add in your contact email, phone number, and/or fax, if you'd like that info to appear in the Store Finder. Next, in the section directly underneath Store Contact, we find the Google Merchant Setup section. Dakis automatically optimizes and syncs up your products with Google Merchant Center. This can increase your product visibility and give you more control over how products appear in search and ads. Feel free to reach out to us at sales@dakis.com to find out more about this service. Now let's scroll down to the Store Hours and Special Store Hours section. In this section, you can set your regular store hours and any holiday or event-based store hours to appear in the Store Finder on your website. This is usually optional, as you will normally have the ability to add and edit hours through the website editor, depending on your services with Dakis. Next, let's click on the orange Add Hours button to open up the Store Hours modal. In the Store Hours modal, we'll first select the days of the week when we want to set hours. We'll do this by clicking the first day of the week we want those hours to apply, and next clicking the last day of the week we want them applied. In this case, I'll click Monday first, then Friday. Monday to Friday should now be selected in orange. Next, we'll click the little clock icon in the From Time field and select the opening hour from the drop-down. We'll do the same thing for the To Time field to select the closing time. We should now have Monday to Friday set to 9 to 6 store hours. To add more hours to the remaining days, let's click on Add Hours again. This time, we'll select Saturday 10 to 4. We'll follow the same steps as earlier, selecting the hours range from the opening and closing hour drop-downs. Lastly, let's hit Add Hours again, this time clicking on Sunday to select it and checking the Closed All Day checkbox. Now, if we wanted to set specific hours for holidays, we can click the Add Special Hours button. Let's click that now to open the Special Hours modal. In the Special Hours name field, we'll add the holiday name and copy and paste it into the French field as well. Now let's click on the calendar icon to select the day for the holiday or event. Now we can set the hours, much like we did for the regular store hours. Next, we can add more events by hitting the button again, or if we're done, hit the Save button. That's it. We're all done covering all the optional store settings. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.